Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies, where every day leading up to Christmas we make a new cookie from a different place.
From around the world. Today we are making Yugoslavian Christmas Cookies. Alright, so let's get into it.
Make sure you click the link in our bio so you can win these cookies. There's one winner left.
And make sure you tag a friend
on this video.
And
share
it. Please like it. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Please do all that jazz. Alright, let's get into it.
So for the base, you're going to need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of chopped walnuts, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup seedless red raspberry jam. And for the topping, you're going to need 4 egg whites, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. First, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to combine flour, nuts, cinnamon, and salt. And now we mix. In a large mixing bowl, beat butter, sugar, and vanilla until light and fluffy.
Let's get on with it.
Now we're going to add the flour to the butter and sugar. Now we're going to spread the raspberry jam on top. Now we are making the topping. We need 4 egg whites and cream of tartar. So now we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time until the egg whites form very stiff, glossy peaks.
It's so thick, and you can see your reflection on it. It's really glossy.
Now we're going to fold in the ground nuts and melted chocolate. Now we're going to spread the meringue evenly over the base.
This is so fun. We should try it at home.
We just got them out of the oven,
and now we're gonna cut them.
We knew they were done because the meringue had hardened.
Now we're gonna try it. It's the eve of Christmas Eve. Tastes like cherry pie. And with walnuts on it.
So good.
It's really good.
Make sure you click the link in our bio so you can sign up and win these cookies and more. Today we are picking another winner.
Yes, we are.